Hi food lovers, welcome to my channel. Today we're making carrot cake.
Make the carrot cake. We're starting with some grated carrots, then some eggs. Mix it together thoroughly. Once it's mixed, I'm going to add some oil. I use 1.5 cup. All the ingredients will be in the description box below, so you can make yours. So I'm mixing this thoroughly until everything is well combined. I did some vanilla powder. You can use vanilla flavor essence if you have. Added some nutmeg and then some baking soda. Now you can add cinnamon if you like, but I didn't want to add cinnamon. Then I went ahead to add in my sugar. So mixing thoroughly and then add my flour. Then we give this a good stir until everything is well combined. And then once it's well combined, you scoop this and then put it into your cupcake line, as you always have to line your cupcake tray. And then while I'm going to put this in a preheated oven at 180 degrees Celsius for about 30 minutes. Everything will be in the description box below just so you can be better guided when you want to make yours. Now, once this is ready, bring it out. And then I went ahead to make the whipping cream. So to a chilled bowl, I'm adding my heavy cream. You don't need anything less than 35%. And then went ahead to add my icing sugar or powdered sugar and then some vanilla powder. And then I keep whipping this until it becomes, it forms a stiff peak. Now you can see it's thickening, but it's not there yet. Keep whisking, and then until you see that the peak is stiff like this, then it's ready. Then I went ahead to put it into my piping bag. I used a cup so that it can enter better, because if it's in my hand, it's just going to pour everywhere. So I'm putting the whipped cream into the piping bag. Put it gently, guys. You don't want to make a mess. So, and then after putting everything, I then like test it out to see that it's being put properly and it's coming out well, like you can see here. And then I go ahead to bring out the cupcakes and pipe the whipped cream onto the cupcakes like so. And then I did this for the rest of them. And then I sprinkled some chopped carrots over the cupcake, and I'm telling you guys, tasted amazing.
Hope you'll be trying this recipe. Thank you for watching. Bye.